Hi, my name is Pernille Madsen from lawofattractionsavvy.com, and I would like to use these to demonstrate what it means to be allowing or not allowing. So this is Peter and this is Mark, and they're both wanting to get a new job, and they're both applying for the same job. So Peter applies for this job, and at the same time he thinks that it's not probably very likely that he will get it, because there's this crisis, you know, and there are probably a lot of other people wanting to get this job, and normally he's not very lucky, so he's not very much allowing. And then he's talking to some of his friends and telling them that he's applying for this job, but also telling them that he doesn't really expect to get it. However, it is an amazing job, and it would be awesome if he got it, and he would really like to get it, so he's really trying to get it, and then he's allowing a bit more. Mark is used to getting what he wants, so he's applying for this job and very much expecting to get it, so he's pretty open. And when he talks to his friends, he's telling them that, well, this job is awesome, I'm probably the right match for it, and I would really much like to get it, and I don't see why I shouldn't get it. When they start talking about the crisis and how difficult it is to get a job, well, he does go along with them a bit and isn't quite that sure, but he is more or less pretty convinced that he will be able to get the job, so he's very, very open and very much allowing. Then it's time for the job interview, and Peter is allowing enough to be invited to the job interview, and so is Mark, so they both get interviewed. Peter thinks that the job interview went extremely well. He was very much, he felt this great connection with the interviewer, and he would so much like to get the job. However, when he talks to his family, they start telling about a lot of people they know who have been looking for a job and who didn't get it. So again, he starts not allowing so much. Then he reads an article in the newspaper about the crisis and how many are unemployed and how difficult it is to get a job, and he gets even less allowing. And this article links to another article, which links to another article, which links to another article, and he doesn't really see it as a possibility that he will get a job. Whereas Mark is still wanting and expecting to get the job. He even spent some time imagining how it will be to work in this place, and he considers what clothes he will be wearing on his first work day, so he's very much allowing. And then the job comes, and it could go to Peter, but as he's not allowing at all, it doesn't, whereas Mark is very much allowing and he gets the job. That's the difference between allowing and not allowing.